So I came up with the 100 grand master plan to fund my first feature film. And it's me finding 5,000 raving quantumaniacs to give me $20. I also came up with the alternative to that. I need 91 million views on YouTube to get what I think the equivalent to 100 grand would be with the CPM. I do have a monetized YouTube channel, so the goal for me is to create content for 3 YouTube channels. I got a sports channel, a TV channel, and a film channel. And I'm going to use those to teach creators how to make content and see if I can find people who want to do the things that I can do. I want to be a job creator. I think I can manifest or create my way and other people's way out of the situations that they're in, because it takes a creative mindset to do this. One of the things that I went through with Profile was me recognizing that I never told anybody I wanted to go to the NFL. It was a dream that I kept to myself because this was the only feedback I was going to get. You're too small, you're not fast enough, and you just don't got what it takes. This is one of the things that I also came to the conclusion. Had I just asked for help on how to get there, things might have gone differently. So this is my outcry, my outpouring of emotion, my vulnerability, whatever you consider it. This is me declaring that I want to make a feature film. I want to make a great feature film. My first feature film will be The Butler Beast, or The Beast as it's titled right now. And I want to win an Oscar.
Everybody win when they ball for the right team. Gotta shine like a star on my light beam. Get into the cash, stop playing with me. You be in her DM, but she laying with me. Ain't really much you could say to a G. I'm on the road, I'll be everywhere they pay me to be. These niggas ballin' on the internet, stop. I take some words and I turn them into profit. Retro 3 jersey, I'm the answer. Please stop hating on the king, that's cancer. About to sling an iPhone for the quick flip. Making magic in the mix like Bisquick. Turn it to a slip and slide on the slick shit. Showing love to the fans, get a quick flick. And my granny pick cotton, I'ma pick her a mansion. Scaling up the company, we thinking expansion. Everything